Electric toothbrushes versus manual, the truth about tartar control. Picture this. You're brushing your teeth every morning, feeling like a dental pro. But here's the burning question. Is your toothbrush doing enough? With all the hype around electric toothbrushes, could your manual brush be falling short? Today, we uncover whether they're really worth the upgrade. Tartar is hardened plaque that sticks to your teeth like glue, especially near your gums. It's not just a cosmetic issue, it can lead to gum disease, cavities, and even tooth loss. The key to fighting tartar lies in removing plaque before it hardens. But does your brush have the power to do that? Manual toothbrushes, when used correctly, can absolutely clean your teeth. The problem? Many people don't use them effectively or for the recommended 2 minutes. This leaves room for plaque buildup. That's where electric toothbrushes often claim to shine. But is the buzz justified? Let's break it down. Electric toothbrushes are designed with vibrating or rotating bristles that create more motion, helping to break up stubborn plaque. Studies have shown they remove 21% more plaque than manual brushes on average. Sounds impressive, right? But there's a catch. It's not just the brush, it's how you use it. No toothbrush, electric or manual, can combat tartar if you skip proper brushing techniques, flossing, or regular dental cleanings. So, are electric brushes a magic fix? Not quite. They're an amazing tool, but they're not a substitute for a complete oral care routine. Here's what the pros say. If you're consistent and thorough, a manual toothbrush can do the job just fine. However, if you struggle with technique, an electric toothbrush can help you brush better and longer. Many come with built-in timers, ensuring you hit that crucial 2-minute mark every time. Experts also recommend electric brushes for people with limited mobility or sensitive gums, as they're gentler and more effective in hard-to-reach areas. So, while they're not a must-have, they can definitely be a game-changer for certain users. Electric or manual, your toothbrush alone isn't enough to fight tartar. Combine brushing with daily flossing to remove plaque between teeth. Add mouthwash for an extra bacterial punch, and don't skip your twice-yearly dental cleanings. Tartar removal requires a team effort, and that includes your dentist. Remember, your oral care results rely more on your consistency than the price tag on your toothbrush. So instead of chasing the ultimate weapon, focus on mastering the basics every day. So, is an electric toothbrush worth the switch? If you're already brushing effectively with a manual brush, you're doing great. But if you need help improving your technique or want a deeper clean, investing in an electric model might be your best bet. The choice is yours, so just keep the bigger picture in mind. There you have it, a myth busted with clarity and science. Whether you stick with a trusty manual or embrace electric, what matters most is brushing properly, consistently, and supporting it with flossing and dental checkups. Ready to take your smile to the next level? Start today. Remember to share this video with friends and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips that keep your teeth strong and your smile radiant. Let's beat tartar together, one brush at a time.